Morning. It's an update again on a powerful storm system moving to the southern states right now. This is Winter Storm Izzy. Currently the storm is producing severe thunderstorms across, mainly tornadic storms across Florida right now. As you can see on satellite, there's a line of storms that is moving through. Center circulation currently moving through Alabama and Mississippi there. As you can see, this is a very well-defined storm system. We'll be continuing to move toward the northeast, as we go through time. The center will bank toward the east and then toward the northeast. The center of the storm making a western pass of New England, which means that heavy precipitation is possible for New England, as well as powerful winds. Now, one thing that's concerned is if this was a hurricane and it was making that western pass, that would be way worse for us, as we would be getting in a heavy rain, tornadoes, and lots of wind. But thankfully, this is not a hurricane, and we are not going to be getting tornadoes up here in our region. But nevertheless, due to the storm being a western passage, this means that we could have some very powerful winds from this, which could potentially be up to 60 miles per hour in some areas of New England. We're already feeling some of those strong winds in the southern states right now, mainly on the western side of the storm. You guys are getting in Florida on tornado warnings. As you saw on my screen just a few moments ago, a tornado warning popped up on my screen. I am getting notifications for that, which is helpful. But there's a line of storms moving through Florida right now, and this is just the beginning for the next today and tomorrow. This is the beginning of a nightmare for the eastern coast of the United States of America. Not only for severe thunderstorms, but also for massive winter weather. This storm is most impressive, and it is one of the most impressive storms I have ever seen. So definitely keep an eye on this. Definitely stay tuned to my channel. There's another tornado warning. Definitely stay tuned to my channel. I'll be making updates. Have a good day.